Hey everyone, so I just finished trying out the the new Rebel Rose skincare. I loved all of it except for this. It doesn't taste like rose, and it just has this nasty taste to me. I don't know. It just tastes nasty. But first I washed my face, and then I used the toner, which is lovely. Some people don't like rose. I love rose. And then the multi-use oil, I put that all over my face. It is so pretty. It's got like these little like flowers in them, like like roses. You know, see that? That's so pretty. So I used that all over my face, and I even got some on my lips, and you know, it tasted like rose. It was awesome. Then I put the serum, and at first I wasn't liking it that much because I have to when I was putting on right now I'm using up my Milani foundation. At first it was making it like not as full coverage, but then as I kept putting more, it worked. The only thing I don't like about their lip scrubs is that they're not as oily as other ones, and it's a little bit hard to get it out. But, you know, it felt good on my lips and everything. So yeah, then I put this on, and I don't know, it was gross. I don't know. It doesn't smell like rose. It was kind of gross. I don't know. But anyway, I don't know. Maybe they ran out of the rose stuff I don't know when they got to that. So anyway, I started out by putting this the multi-use crayon or whatever on my lids, and I don't like the one that has green in it. It's too Christmassy to me. But I couldn't choose between the other two. But I really wanted to use purple today. I used my last purple hair mascara. So I really like the other one better, but I wanted to start with this. And it's a pity that the roses inside will, you know, as you start using it, it's like you almost don't want to use it because, you know, the rose is going to go away. What I decided to use, this taupe as a transition color because I'm going to do a smoky eye. It's like a taupe with gold shimmer in it. See how this goes. Okay, so I'm going to use it as the transition color. It does seem to have a lot of fallout. I have these deep set eyes, and I have a hard time getting into that little crevice there, and it gets all over the rest of out there that I don't really like, but whatever. And then for that, it looks more like an indigo, but for that I'm going to go ahead and use this brush that they have. Yeah, you can see the little rose thingy is going away fast. Alright. Alright, I'm going to concentrate it on the lid because I want to do the smoky eye. Oh, that is pretty. I really like that. And now I'm going to put a little bit more on my brush and start blending it upwards. Okay, so let's get... That taupe is so pretty. I don't know how women do it. I say it over and over again. I don't know how they put on makeup without making a mess. Alright, so I blended that upward. I'm putting some more on my lid. It looks like it's coming off already. And plus I want the, you know, the concentration on the lid. Gonna use that pretty beige color. Stasha pencil. Just to Give that the lift that it needs. All right, let's see. Okay. It's neutral. It's not gold. It's just a neutrally shimmery color. Let's go back with that transition color there. To get that back in there. And let's go back with the purple. Yes, I have a mess. But another thing I wanted to try with you is this blush. So it looks black and it looks like it's got like gold shimmer, but supposedly it just adjusts to your skin tone. Let's see. I'm going to use the big rose brush, and let's see how this works. All right, and now it looks red. This was pink and now it's starting to look red. All right. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, I dig it. All right, so I'm gonna clean off, finish my makeup, and then we'll do the lips together. Okay, so the only thing that I did off camera was I used this light color in my inner corners, and because I always make a mess, I put that on because I did all my cleanup and everything. I didn't want to put that on and then it spills and then I'll just get all stressed out after I've done all my makeup. So I put the red under my eyes, or this rosy color, and then I put this very light beige color in my inner corners. I used one of the Wet n Wild lashes. This was called Shelter Shock. They're kind of drooping on the sides. I should have cut them. I'm going to use this dark one. I used the multi-stick as a liner. Sorry. Okay, so I used the matte dark purple, and over that I'm going to use that pretty mauve color. It's definitely setting fast. I couldn't even rub my lips together. Alright. Wow, that is pretty. I'm having a hard time because that lip color set so quickly. I left the sides darker. So, oh wow, I really like this. It probably looks beautiful without, but I just wanted to put it on top to see how it looks. And I really like it better together than using that dark purple alone. I guess if I was just in a neutral eye, But yeah, I just wanted to try both the purples, and then I used Royal Cali. That's how you pronounce this, Royal Calyx or whatever, as my highlighter. So yeah, so that's what I did. I have.